Be Wealthy and Smart, episode 1241.
Step into a world of wealth and financial freedom without budgets, boredom, or bosses on Be Wealthy and Smart. And now, here's your host, Linda P. Jones.
Welcome to Be Wealthy and Smart. I'm Linda P. Jones, America's Wealth Mentor, empowering women and men worldwide to financial freedom. On today's show, I have to talk about the XRP FUD, Fear, Uncertainty, and Doubt Alert, because boy, is it in full force. Recently, I was getting questions about what's going on with XRP. Is it not going to moon for 2 years? What's going to happen? Why is it not going up? And similar type sentiment. I think a lot of people are confused about why didn't the price just race after the SEC case and after the good news and the clarity that XRP is not a security. Which, by the way, we have to absolutely celebrate and be proud that XRP is the only cryptocurrency with clarity from the courts that it is not a security. And that, over time, is going to help XRP. But that also wasn't a total victory. It was a partial victory and a big victory. Definitely a big victory. But we also have another piece of that we're still dealing with. And that is the institutional piece. But the more clarity we get for XRP, the better. And we definitely got a big step in the right direction. But the big money flow, the big wave of money is going to come in from institutions. You see, it's not the retail investor that moves the market price of XRP, in my opinion. It's the big money. It's not the millions, it's the billions. And ultimately, it will be trillions and likely quadrillions that move on the XRP ledger that will move the price. But today, the retail investor is on one side where we are doing our research, accumulating our XRP, and we're bullish for the long term. On the other side of that, we have hedge funds that manage billions of dollars, that move short term, that are watching for too much optimism at any point in time, which is exactly what happened right after the lawsuit. People were so optimistic and so positive that they overwhelmed Uphold by trying to buy XRP. And when hedge funds see that kind of behavior, that's when they like to short the market, because all those new buyers will lose money when the shorts are able to force the price down and freak out the people that just bought it. And they love to do that. That is like taking candy from a baby for them. So hedge funds love it when we have too much optimism. Conversely, markets start really climbing when we have too much pessimism, which is right where we're at the border of that sentiment, I believe, right now, since there's so much FUD and I'm getting so much pushback from people who are sort of wanting to throw in the towel or feeling like for some reason we're not going to get anything for 2 years and that we're going to be sitting here at the same price 2 years from now. I just don't believe that's true. Because here's what I know. I know that we are still early. I know you don't like to hear that, but we are still early in this technology. We are invested in a technology that has yet to be adopted at an extremely high level. Now, all of the train tracks are being laid and all of the plans are being made and all of the train cars have been invested in, etc. But we still don't have laws. And we need laws for the big money to come in and invest in XRP. We need that clarity. And it's not about the hype. It's not about this is the big thing or that's the big thing or the lawsuit is it or FedNow is going to do it. It's not about each individual piece. We're actually seeing a lot of movement, and I believe there's more than what we know publicly that's already happened that hasn't been announced. Partnerships and progress was made during the lawsuit that couldn't be announced publicly, and I believe there's still some good news ahead that has already happened that we don't even know about. And no, I don't have any inside information. I just have a sense that that's true. I also believe we're transitioning to a new financial system and that the money flow is going to increase across the XRP ledger. And therefore, what we should be feeling right now is not fear that it's not going to happen or that it's too far out in the future, but gratitude that we can accumulate more at this price, because I don't know when we're going to see this under 50 cents again for very long. It's possible we may, but I'm not expecting it to be at a low price a year from now or 2 years from now. So it's really important that you have confidence, that you know what you own, that you understand all the relationships that Ripple has contracted with, and I did retweet those on my Twitter account at Linda P. Jones. If you haven't been over to my Twitter, go and check it out. I've got lots of reasons why XRP is going to be strong and much sooner than the next 2 years. So how far are we from a crypto bull market? Well, I think we're in between a cycle of the last bull market and the next bull market. And so by the end of this year, maybe November-ish, December, we're going to start seeing an incredible bull market start again, not only in crypto, but also in stocks. And because the dollar is being debased, it's going to go up much greater than people expect, because it's not going to be going up on a fundamental basis. It's going to be going up because of the currency. So make sure you've accumulated all that you want at this time, because this is the opportunity for you to be able to do that. Will you be able to do that a year from now or 2 years from now? I'm really not sure, but I don't think so. Not at these prices. I think we're going to start to see money flow across the XRP ledger, adoption take over, more announcements coming through, lots of positive relationships and agreements and money flow happening on the XRP ledger. To me, it never has been if, it's always been when. And that when is not that far away. So hang in there, use this time to accumulate wisely, secure your crypto offline in a cold wallet, because you own a very valuable asset. And if you don't understand that you do, then check out my book, 3 Steps to Quantum Wealth, The Wealth Heiress's Guide to Financial Freedom by Investing in Cryptocurrencies. Because in there, I explain about XRP, about the ISO 20022 cryptos, about the last technological revolution that we went through, and how much wealth was created during that time, and how this is a repeat of that cycle, and that is what we are about to experience. And it's going to be extremely exciting. If you haven't yet subscribed to Be Wealthy and Smart, hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified as soon as new podcasts are available so you never miss one of them. And all of my podcasts are on my website at lindapjones.com/podcasts. And connect with me on Twitter at Linda P. Jones. That's all for today. Until next time, live the good life and be wealthy and smart.
Thank you for listening to Be Wealthy and Smart with Linda P. Jones. Share the wealth and tell your family and friends about the show. Check out our website, blog, and social media for more riches at www.bewealthyandsmart.com.